everybody, my name is Teresia Erina Sustiawati. Here I will explain to use of 4 tools that are available. 1. Scaler. 2. Tympanic thermometer. 3. Blood pressure cuff. 4. Pulsal oximeter. 1. Scales. Body scales and scales used to measure the weight of a person. But to see a person's weight can also ask other types of scales. With the error of the weight that is it devoted only to measuring a person's weight. B. Monitoring and children weight can control the development and growth of the child, whether the child is healthy or not. In ancient times, people used dance scales to see the weight of their children. These scales is also only for babies and those under 5 years of age. To see the weights of children again, 5 years and over, the scales used are analog scales. With the development of technology, now scales have variant type and also additional features such as scales equipped with height measure device. And analog with modernized scales have also changed from analog to digital. Not only with analog sleds, but now scales can display measurement result via a digital screen. The scale or balance is a tool used to measure the mass of an object. These scales are divided into 2 types, namely digital scales and mechanical scales. Simple is a spring balance with us a spring as a measuring tool for the mass it measures. Spring balance for measure weight level, the number is divided by gravity. Based on the classification they have, the scales can be categorized into several parts. Body scales are asked to measure a person's weight. The body scales are still classified into several groups such as baby scales, children's scales, adults, and also digital scales. 2. Tympanic thermometer. Digital or thermometer. Digital or thermometer, also called tympanic thermometer, as an infrared ray to measure the temperature inside the air canal. The pros: when positive, properly digital or thermometer are quick and generally comfortable for children and adults. Digital or thermometer are operation for infants older than 6 months, older children and adults. The cons: digital or thermometer aren't recommended for newborns. A wet or a small curved air canal can interfere with the accuracy of a temperature check with a digital or thermometer. 3. Blood pressure cuff. Tensiometer, or more accurately called Speckmann manometer, is a tool used to measure blood pressure. This tool, which is always in the doctor's office, can be used at home, especially if you need to have regular blood pressure check. Checking blood pressure regular is important for people with certain diseases such as hypertension, and kidney disease, or even hypotension. With the presence of a tensiometer at home, patients do not need to go back and forth in line of the hospital or doctor office to check their blood pressure. Patients now having to wait long to be checked. Doing blood pressure check at home can also be more accurate, especially for patients who feel anxious when consult a doctor so that their blood pure is scared when checking. Or full oximeter. Oximeter is a device that is able to detect the level of oxygen in human blood without causing pain. An oximeter can show how efficient oxygen is being delivered to the parts of your body further from your heart, such as your arms, the legs. An oximeter is a clip that is placed on the finger or earlobe. In checking oxygen level, this tool acts like a doctor in the medical world. Oximeters are asked to check patients who have disease that affect again left in the blood, create from healthy diseases include anemia, AIDS, lung cancer, and heart failure.